Hello everyone, welcome to Calcify. Today, let us discuss the formula used to calculate the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Very often, students memorize the formula but tend to forget it during examinations. Let us understand it with an easy visualization. Here is a triangle, a polygon with three sides. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, let's consider a quadrilateral. Number of sides in a quadrilateral is 4. It is made up of two triangles. So, sum of the interior angles should be 2 into the sum of the angles of a triangle, that is 2 into 180, which is 360 degree. Next, we have a pentagon. Number of sides is equal to 5. Number of triangles formed is equal to 3. Hence, the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon should be 3 into 180 degree, which is 540 degree. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. Let's observe the pattern carefully. When n is equal to 3, number of triangles formed is 1. When n is equal to 4, the number of triangles formed is 2. When n is equal to 5, the number of triangles formed is 3. From this pattern, what do we observe? We observe that the number of triangles formed is always 2 less than the number of sides. Now, let's try to use this technique to generalize and derive the formula for the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Number of sides, n. So, number of triangles will be 2 less, right? That is n minus 2. Hence, sum of the angles of the polygon will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. I hope the concept is very clear to each one of you. Now, try it yourself. Sum of the interior angles of a decagon is equal to. Write your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Do make sure to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications.